guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I made the last video. Today I'll be talking about Jetpack Compose. Jetpack Compose is a modern toolkit for building a native Android UI. I just created this project using this empty compose activity, and it will generate an empty activity. As you can see, we have a UI theme created. So that's being used here. I will explain to you step by step what's going on here. So as you can see, we don't need XML anymore. That's the beauty of Jetpack Compose. So you just create function, any function that will be annotated by composable, and you don't even need to have a return just to return this UI. And as you can see, we have this preview here. How did it happen? Well, it's just with this annotation preview show background equals true. So every time we have changes on the UI, the composable UI, then it will also update this preview right here. So the simple compose UI theme, as I mentioned earlier, that it is created when you automatically when you create a project. So we have by default two parameters, the composable content and a flag that lets you decide if you use dark color or dark theme or light theme. So yeah, we can do a dark color, dark theme as a true for okay. Yeah, that's it. And so the text here, it's imported from compose material the text. And so if you want button below, import that from composable. Yeah, we can put okay, we can put on pick. Hmm. So at least we have one here, and then it should create, yeah, a button. So pick me. So as you can see, it's overlapping. In XML, we have to do linear layout and orient, add an orientation, either horizontal or vertical. For the linear layout equivalent in Jetpack Compose, we can do column. So yes, that's it. Let's see. Yeah. There are lots of properties actually, color, font size, font style. We can try font size. So in Jetpack Compose, when you declare DP, like for example the size 12, then you will add that DP each time. Okay, there's an error. Let's see. Okay, we need to use the text unit. Okay, that's SP for font. All right. So you can also have like padding for the button. So if you will just use one parameter, then that's for all corners, start, stop, right, and bottom. So that will add. Yeah. So as you can see, uh, the padding applied for all. And also have the start, TP, the top, TP. Yeah. Now, if you want icon, you can also do it. So if you like to have an icon, you can use icon composable component, and there's a prefabs icons that we can use, like this one. Yeah, and it needs to have second argument, content, description, and there it is. So yes, that's it, guys. And as you can see, the UI is contained just like a linear layout on a vertical axis. But we can also make it on horizontal axis, and we will use row, and it will align on the horizontal axis. So I hope you learned something today, guys, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.